It's day 2 of our rock candy science experiment. So what that means is we need to create a super solution of sugar. And that is simply where we have more sugar than the water to make the solution. So I've got a pan here with a candy thermometer. I've got a cup of water, and we're going to measure out 4 cups of sugar. So as you can see, 4 is greater than 1, so there's more sugar than there is water, which will make this a super saturated solution. So let's count it. 1, 2, 3. And it looks like we're going to have to break in to more sugar. Found another bag. All right. So we're on our last cup here. And that's 4. 4 cups of sugar. We're going to take our water and we're going to pour it into our sugar. We're going to take a spoon and we're going to mix that all together. Our next step is we need to add heat. We need to dissolve the sugar, which means we need to melt it into that little bit of water we added. So I'm going to turn on our stove here, and we're going to gently raise the temperature on this to about 210 degrees, which is why we need our candy thermometer. 210 degrees is very hot. So you will, at this point, really need the help of a parent or an older sibling, someone that can use the stove. So we're going to turn on our heat. I'm going to turn it on medium-low. I'm going to stick our thermometer in here. I'm going to slide this down so it can sit on the edge of our pan. And we're going to stir our sugar as it happens. We're going to take it up to 210 degrees. And we don't want to take it further than that, because what happens is the higher the temperature, the faster this will turn into candy, right? Things like taffy, it's kind of chewy, pulls. Take it up even higher, and you turn it into hard candy like a lollipop, or one of those little flavored strawberry candies, that sort of thing. So we don't want that to happen. We want it to stay a liquid. All right, it's ready. Oh my goodness, it happens so fast. It really does move really quickly. So you're thinking, oh, it's still not there, and then all of a sudden it just starts boiling. So I'm going to show you a picture of our super saturated solution so that you can have an idea of what yours will look like when you make it. So there's the super sugar solution, that super saturated solution. You can see the sugar is dissolved. We are going to pour our solution into our jar. I've got it in what we call a bain-marie, which is basically just a fancy way of saying a water bath. Okay, it's French, but it just means a water bath. We didn't want our glass to be too cold while our sugar syrup is too hot. So we warm up the glass. It's been sitting in hot water for a little bit now. I've got a funnel so that we can carefully pour our sugar into our jar. And then we're going to put our strings from yesterday into that. But one step at a time, right? Slow down, Miss Lola. So here we go. Here comes our sugar. Before we put our crystals in, we're going to add a little bit of food coloring. This will just make it a little fun. So I'm going to add some blue, and I'm going to add some pink, and our final rock candy crystals, they're going to be purple. You can kind of see the color there on the spoon. It's a nice purple. So these are our seed crystals. And so our job now is we're going to put these into our sugar solution here so that they can start to seed and grow. Okay, so we're just going to place them into our jar so that they can turn into beautiful sugar crystals. So now we'll put this in a safe space. So once our sugar jar has cooled down enough to touch, we'll move it to a safe space, and then we'll wait a week. So this will be the end of our video today, but in a week I'll be putting out our results. What did we grow? How big did our crystals grow? And how great do our crystals taste? All right. So we'll see you in a week. Love you, miss you. Till next time.